Hey guys, this is Baby Einstein 12702 here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this new Baby Einstein DVD I got last Thursday in the mail 3 days ago, and it is this, the Neighborhood Animals French 2003 DVD. And yeah, so now I have 4 European French DVDs, which I have Mozart 05, Van Gogh 03, this, and Beethoven early 04, which plays 03. So, yeah. How I pronounce this is, I think, Mes Animaux Familiars. I can't even speak French, so, yeah. But anyways, I won't be making much videos this week because I'll be going out of town to see my brother who's taking summer classes in college for about from tomorrow until Friday morning, so I won't be active as much. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So we have the Baby Einstein logo. If anyone can speak French, that would be great, because maybe I can read this. Bebe elle découverte des animaux, or I don't know. And here's the front, and here's the back. If you want to read this, then just pause it. Oh yeah, there's Language Nursery, Baby Mozart, Baby Santa, and Baby Van Gogh. And this was the last French, and all 5 of these, Language Nursery, Mozart, Santa, Van Gogh, and this, Neighborhood Animals, were released in 03 in France. So, yeah. And here's the side. And here's the disc. And the disc is a little bit scratched up, but it still plays fine. Okay. This DVD is kind of cursed, because I'll tell you why. Because they actually remove the why does the bee go to the doctor scene in this DVD, in the French and Dutch version. Oh yeah, this plays in English, French, and Netherlands. I forgot to mention that. You probably already knew that, but yeah, they remove it. And believe it or not, crazy thing, the French version of the Old MacDonald Farm Son plays in English for some reason. I don't know why that is, but that's just freaking ridiculous. But yeah. And the Dutch version for the Old MacDonald Had a Farm song plays in Dutch, and it sounds not very good in my opinion. And I haven't tested the English version yet, which I probably will soon. So anyways, I'll probably do the DVD menu of this today, but not exactly sure, but I'll try. So anyways, that is it for this video, so be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see ya.